Hey tech fans! Welcome to Techno Tutor TV, your quick guide to all things tech. Ready to level up? Let's go! Quick favor, tap that like button if you love tech. New here? Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss out. Alright, let's get started. In this video, we're going to walk through how you can sign in to YouTube TV. Keep watching to see the different ways to do it. First, let's look at signing in on your smart TV. Start by opening the YouTube TV app on your television. If you don't already have the app, you can easily download it from your TV's app store. Next, grab your computer or smartphone and open a web browser. Go to www.youtube.tv. You'll find the link in the video description. Sign in to your YouTube TV account on your computer or phone. You should then see a pop-up box appear on your TV screen. Enter the verification code that you see on your TV into the browser. Finally, select the Google account that is linked to your YouTube TV subscription and click Allow. You should now be signed in on your smart TV. Now let's see how to sign in using a web browser. Just open your preferred browser and go to www.youtube.tv. Again, the link is in the description. On the top right of the screen, you'll see a Sign In button. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear showing your Google accounts. Simply choose the account that you use for YouTube TV, and you can start watching your favorite channels. You might be wondering why YouTube TV sometimes asks you to sign in again. For security reasons, YouTube TV will automatically sign you out after a period of inactivity. So there you have it. We hope these two methods make signing into YouTube TV a breeze for you. Thanks for watching.